Welcome to Compare to Win. The best eyebrow pencil is probably one of the most underrated beauty products out there. A good eyebrow pencil can transform your entire look, framing your face and adding definition. But with so many options on the market, finding the perfect one can feel overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into the world of eyebrow pencils, testing and reviewing some of the top contenders to help you find your perfect match. Number 5. Revlon ColorStay Eyebrow Pencil 205 Blonde. Introducing a waterproof eyebrow pencil that lasts all day. This product resists smudging and fading, ensuring your brows stay perfect for up to 24 hours. The angled tip allows for smooth and precise application. It glides on effortlessly, giving you complete control for perfect brows every time. No sharpening needed. Create natural-looking brows with ease. Use the precision tip to create hair-like strokes for enhanced brows that last all day. The soft spoolie brush blends your eyebrow makeup seamlessly. It softens the color for a natural finish, making your brows look effortlessly perfect. This shade, 205 Blonde, is perfect for light hair. It delivers natural-looking color that complements your features. It's easy to apply and looks fantastic. What we like. This pencil's angled tip allows for precise application, making it easy to shape and fill your brows. If you're looking for a long-lasting, natural look that stays put all day, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a defined brow without constant touch-ups. What people say. The pencil is waterproof and stays on all day. The color is perfect and matches my eyebrows. It's easy to apply and the brush is a nice addition. Number 4. LAVONE Makeup Kit with Brow, Liner, Brush. This LAVONE eyebrow kit instantly defines and fills in your brows, regardless of how much hair you have. Achieve flawless, symmetrical brows in just 1 minute. It's long-lasting, smudge-proof, and waterproof, ensuring your brows stay perfect all day. Shape, define, and fill sparse brows with this ultra-skinny brow pencil. Its precise tip coats even the finest hairs for a natural look. The retractable tip allows you to create the look of natural brow hairs with ease. This waterproof liquid eyeliner features an ultra-precise, flexible tip that's easy to use. Every stroke is fluid, allowing for a defined finish. Control the thickness of your lines to achieve your desired look. The highly pigmented formula keeps your brows in place all day without smudging. It's waterproof and smudge-proof, making it ideal for swimming, warm weather, or active days. You can trust it to stay put. The LAVONE Makeup Eyebrow Kit includes a brow pencil in dark brown, a liquid eyeliner in black, eyebrow powder in dark brown, a dual-ended eyebrow brush, and a convenient zipper pouch. Everything you need for on-the-go touch-ups is included. What we like. This kit offers everything you need for perfect brows, including a pencil, eyeliner, and brush. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution for your eye makeup, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for those who want a complete look with long-lasting, smudge-proof results. What people say. The pencil is waterproof and smudge-proof. The color is a perfect match and the pencil is easy to use. It lasts all day and is easy to apply. Number 3. Revlon ColorStay Micro Eyebrow Pencil. Introducing the Revlon ColorStay Micro Eyebrow Pencil. This pencil creates fine, precise strokes that mimic natural brow hairs. It's designed to give you a flawless, natural look. This eyebrow pencil is infused with argan and marula oil. The formula helps to nourish your brows while providing long-lasting color. It's a perfect blend of beauty and care. It's incredibly easy to use and the color is blendable. This helps you fill in and define your eyebrows effortlessly. Achieve the perfect brow shape with ease. The Revlon ColorStay Micro Eyebrow Pencil is waterproof and offers up to 16 hours of wear. It stays put all day, so you can confidently go about your day without worrying about smudging. This pencil comes in 7 shades to match your look. Whether you prefer a subtle enhancement or a bold statement, you'll find the perfect shade for you. What we like. This micro eyebrow pencil creates hair-like strokes for a natural look. If you like a natural, yet defined brow, this is perfect. It's ideal for those who want precision and long-lasting wear. What people say. The pencil is waterproof and smudge-proof, which is great for all-day wear. The fine tip allows for precise application, making it easy to create natural-looking brows. It has a built-in spoolie brush that helps to blend the product and groom the brows. Number 2. Soleira Microblading Eyebrow Pen, Blonde. Introducing the Soleira Microblading Eyebrow Pen. This pen makes achieving perfect brows easy. It's designed to give you natural-looking, long-lasting results. This eyebrow kit features a 4-tip pen for hair-like strokes and a brush for blending. The dual-ended brush helps to shape and perfect your brows. You can achieve flawless brows effortlessly. The 4-tip pen mimics real brow hairs, filling in sparse areas. It's perfect for creating a full, dimensional look. It gives you a microblading effect. This pen is designed for easy and precise application. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Ensure your brows are always on point. Enjoy 24-hour wear with this smudge-proof and waterproof pen. Whether you're sweating or swimming, it stays in place. Your brows will stay flawless all day. Available in multiple shades, this pen complements various skin tones and hair colors. Find your perfect match and enjoy beautiful brows. Before use, gently shake the pen for smooth application. After use, close the cap securely and store it flat. This will maintain its freshness. What we like. This pen mimics real brow hairs for a full, dimensional look. If you are seeking a microblading effect without the commitment, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want natural-looking, defined brows that last all day. What people say. The dual-ended design is super convenient. One side has the 4-tip microblading pen that creates precise, natural-looking hair strokes, and the other side has a brush that blends everything perfectly for a seamless finish. Once applied, it truly stays in place all day without smudging or fading, even through heat and humidity. It's also waterproof, which I've tested by wearing it during workouts, and even on a rainy day, my brows stayed flawless. The pen has super fine tips that mimic the width of a brow perfectly. You don't need to press hard either, you can get a soft natural look with a delicate hand. Color matched very nicely, and they're not kidding about it being waterproof. When I opened it first, I brushed it on the back of my hand and then ran a thumb over it. Didn't even smudge. Number 1. BODERMINCER Eyebrow Pencil, 2 #dark brown. Introducing the BODERMINCER Eyebrow Pencil. This is a brand new, high-quality makeup tool designed to enhance your brows. It comes in 5 classic colors to match different hair and skin tones. You can choose the perfect shade for yourself or as a gift. This eyebrow pencil is long-lasting and waterproof, ensuring your brows stay perfect all day. It's designed for durability and ease of use. Available colors include black, dark brown, light brown, gray, and brown. Find the ideal match to complement your look. This professional makeup tool is perfect for both beginners and experts. Remember to extend the tip less than 0.2 inches to prevent breakage. Each pencil comes in a beautiful case, making it a great gift for women and girls. It's a simple way to elevate any makeup routine. What we like. This pencil offers long-lasting, waterproof wear in a variety of colors. If you want a simple, reliable eyebrow pencil, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a basic, yet effective product. What people say. The pencil is waterproof and stays on all day. The color is perfect and matches my eyebrows. It's easy to apply and the brush is a nice addition. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.